We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up CHF, JPY, price action. Last candle to the right hand side looked like a bearish red candle with a spike down to the low, so that means it could be creating an area of support, touching that support to come back up, or it can follow up with the break of that area, retest the bottom, come down from a double top, or market can consolidate in that sideways until a pattern is formed. We are in the monthly time frame, price action, overall, higher highs. Price action, overall lower lows, midpoint in the middle. So if we identify what's going on with price action has broken the overall highest high SR line. Now we're identifying that the market is pushing down, so we're going to see how far it's going to come back down to that retest to that SR line or above that SR line to see if it's going to push up or break below. So we have a major area on the left hand side here. We have a long doji, so we want to see if market is breaking out of that doji. If so, we can see if this market is going to retest and work its way up further. And if it stays within this long doji, it's an area of consolidation within the range of the midpoint and highest highs. So let's head back over to price action, see what's going on. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side has broken the overall high and also broken the overall of that doji that we did find on the opposite side. So the market is retesting that doji that we did find. So we're looking for that market. Is it going to go back in range of that doji and form patterns, or is this the area where it's going to break, retest, and work its way up further? Or it can consolidate sideways on that SR line of the top of that doji from the opposite side. Walking down to the weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly time frame, price action, last candle in the market is a bearish red candle with a long wick to the bottom that can be tagging that area of support to finally work its way up. If so, price will be identifying the first leg, second leg, third leg, market push up for the fourth. So we're looking for a pattern to identify itself here from Forex pattern cheat sheet. And if that market's going to come down, we can see that market's coming from that first leg, second leg in green, third leg, fourth leg. First, second, third, fourth. Market breaks that area, is going to retest and work its way down to the overall highest high again. Or we can receive that consolidation in that area where we keep seeing that market bouncing up and down to a pattern is formed to see if that market is going to go up or go down. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action on daily time frame is a bullish green small, very small candle. Second last candle is a bullish green candle that's creating a support at this area here, can be. So if it does, that's that market creating that first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for that engulfment pattern or pattern to form in that area, and market pushes up from that W. If not, market's coming from the overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market push once. Price could be coming back for a retest at that SR line to push down further. Overall, market's coming from a triple top and a retest, or a double top and a retest. And we can also receive consolidation near that SR line within this area until we finally receive the breakout. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, price action, bullish green, small candle, okay, is within the second last candle. So price is working its way sideways for that consolidation. We can see it sitting on that SR line at that midpoint. And also, price has broken the SR line, retest the bottom. So we're going to see if the pattern is going to form for that market to drop down further. If not, market can be identifying that first leg, second leg. So we look for that second leg to fully break out with green bullish candles, come back for a retest with red candles to push back up with that fourth leg. So we will be receiving that incline W, or we can receive that consolidation within that area. Walking down to the 3-hour time frame. 3-hour time frame is identifying the same thing, and what we're receiving is price action bullish green candle is within the second to last candle in the market, okay, of that doji. Okay, so we want to see the doji is indecisive, so we have to wait for the next candle to form to engulf the previous candle, which is a doji, to push that market up or down. And also we can see that price is working its way up above that SR line. Walking down to a 2-hour time frame, identifying the same thing. It's a different color candle with the second last candle this time, but still a doji. Same as well with the 1 hour. Second last candle is a doji. Price actions within it. So price is working its way sideways for that consolidation. So what's happening is market pushed up. Second last candle is a retest. Price actions trying to push up and break out from that area. And we can see it's headed up to that high that we did created from, I think, the 3-hour time frame. So if patterns is trying to form on the 45-minute, we can be identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg, market pushed up for that fourth. If not, market's coming down from the first, second, third, and we see a double top form, or that market works its way sideways. Walking down to the 30, identifying the first, second, third, fourth. So price actions inside the second last candle consolidation. Market didn't break out that fourth leg. Price action is still working its way sideways, so it's like we're receiving a first leg, second leg, third leg. Market pushed up for that fourth leg and just worked its way to the side. So we still want to see if that market's going to come down. If so, market's coming from that first leg, second leg, third leg. So we have to receive a pattern or engulfment pattern to that second last candle from price action to push that market down from that double top. Walking down to the 15-minute time frame, same as well. Price action working its way sideways. Fourth to last candle is a major candle, pushed up to the high. So it spiked up for the first leg, second leg, third leg. Market's worked its way sideways. We want to see that market going to decline. May have to wait for price action to engulf the fourth to last candle, the market to close out, identify a pattern in that area for that market to drop down. If not, market's coming from that first, second, third. Market's pushed up for the fourth, second last candle to retest. If we receive a bullish green candle, market's coming up from a double bottom and a retest. 5 minutes, same as well. We can see that consolidation. We still got the patterns moving up and down, but market's in that range. Same as the 3-minute and same as the 1. Okay, guys, please review. Forex pattern sheet, break and retest. Okay, guys, CHF,